God, goodness gracious. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Maureen and our focus today is on this product. Yes, Dettol, on how effective it is, what to expect from it, how long should you use it, its benefit, does it really work, and what to actually avoid, and maybe a bonus or a tip that may come up in between, who knows. So watch the video to the very end, and remember you can always start by liking the video, okay, and subscribing for more. So this is me just a few minutes ago, or maybe an hour or so ago, googling around, does Dettol really remove pimples? And guess what comes to my page? Guess what I come across? Yes, it does. In just 2 days, within the first day, during the second application, during the second day, you're going to start seeing the results for yourself. Wow, who doesn't want that? I want all of that. So this is how to use Dettol on your skin. Okay, this is the Dettol that we're using. For starters, I don't know, the camera is showing it the other way around. It's showing it, but it's the one scientifically proven 100%. Yeah, yes. So how to use it? Okay, open it, definitely open it, and then put one full here. Well, before we show you on how to use it, it's something that she said that you should actually avoid. If you have a super sensitive skin, you'll have to use water. If you have a super sensitive skin, you'll have to use more water, okay? But for it to work, just use it the way it is. But do not, I also saw that you should not use it directly on your skin. Try to dilute it or something. So let's get into it now, how to use it. We are putting this full here, like that. I don't know. Please don't pour. And so we are going to be using this container of mine. To put it there. And then she says the same amount of water, but anyway, make sure it's clean water. Oh, I'm really trying to be accurate. There is our amount of water. Then top it up, and then mix. She says mix, mix, mix. Like that. You can just, okay, let me close this one. You'll also remember, we'll be looking at the benefits, what we expect from my skin in 2 days. Sounds like a miracle, like, but just in 2 days. Let me see, is the what our combination is mixing like that. Let us see what we expect. Dettol, I'm using my phone here. Yeah, the phone here. Dettol Liquid Original is an antibacterial product that can be used on skin. Okay, thank you for that. Can Dettol remove pimples on face? So now this is what you actually want to hear. Dettol Sapodam Hygienic Soap is a cleanser for acne prone and oily skin. Whoa! And guess what? Your girl got an oily skin, so Sapodan, I don't really know otherwise. I think it's something that is inside the Dettol or something. So what they say is, it's a cleanser for acne. Okay, we already said it helps control acne, block acne and oily skin problems by effectively cleansing the skin. Sapodan thoroughly cleanses the skin and removes excessive oil film. Daily use in the shower or bath gives you all over odor protection. It's creamy, lather, helps leave your skin clean and fresh. Woo! Okay. Warning. Well, That is what we wanted to hear. It is good for acne and oily prone skin. So let's get into it. I believe our mixture is really mixed already. So I want to apply it onto my face. They are prone to, you feel like, yes, these are the most affected areas. As we continue, please like this video, share it out, and subscribe down below. Okay, what I'm feeling is the effect on to the eyes. And let's massage that face. Shit, you know what? Shit. Oh, God, goodness gracious. It's, I don't know, gouache in English. Stinging. This stinging. Oh goodness, I think I should have had more water. Let me not try the other way. My goodness. Now, the other way was use something, I don't know, cotton to apply. Let me try using this one. God, my goodness, it's stinging. Inawaja. Maybe this one will control. God. I won't apply anymore. I don't know if you can see. Shit. Oh, wait. Now you're supposed to wait like 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes. And shush. What? No one warned us that it will, I don't know, sting. Let me see. Gouache in English. Shit. In English. Me, I'm telling you, nasikia nikiwasha huku. Let me see if ni venye niko na cuts ama ni nini. Let me pick a mirror. Itch. Yeah, the word is itch. It is itching. Yeah. And me, I was saying sting. It's actually itching. Okay, we are away for 5 minutes. It's 44, so it's 49. So actually, the itchiness that I started with feeling from Okwivi, it has stopped because I started with feeling itchy here the moment I just applied it. I think if you have a sensitive skin, that is why you're being told to add more water. Do I really have a sensitive skin to add more water into the solution? But she said if you put the same amount, it's going to really work. Please believe her. So guys, remember, I'll be right here to tell you, does it really work even after a while? What is that feeling? Yeah, we have survived 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We have survived the 5 minutes. And well, guys, that is how you use it. And then afterwards, I think I'll just wash it off. Let me just wash it off. And then next, I'll tell you what you're going to apply. Okay? So here we are. So actually what I've done, not like really roughly washed it off from my skin. What I have really done is I have just wiped most of it, just done away with the wiping of most of it to hope for the very best. Let me be sincere. I'm going to tell you if it really worked for me within those 2 days, or I'll give you a recap over 1 week's time on how it does. So after that, what you do is you apply some moisturizing oil. Told you about the itchiness and how I felt. You apply some moisturizing oil. Me, what I'm using here is avocado oil. You can use any of your choice, but this is the one that I have seen closest many others. So I'll just be applying it into my skin. Just any moisturizing kind of oil that you have for the after effects. So remember, this is just like basically the first day that I have applied the Dettol on my face. If you want to really know how it works, if it really worked out for me. And what else were we to talk about? The side effects. Well, we said about the side effects. The side effects is that it can cause burning onto your skin if you have a sensitive skin and if you use it directly. Well, we'll talk more on that when I give you my review on how if it really worked out. So to get the review, to watch the review, or to watch other products that you have always tried out, please click this video. And yeah, okay, the question is, how am I feeling now? The question would be, am I feeling smooth for everything? Well, the itchiness have ended. Now we are waiting for the results. And how long will I use it? Will I just use it for the 2 days? Will I use it for 1 week, 1 month, or will I really be able to survive the itchiness? Anyways, to find out on my review how productivity is, any other product that you have used, remember, if this one doesn't work, we are always going to hop into the next one until we find the one that works best for our skin. So to see that journey and everything that you do, just to watch this video, click this video that is right here, and remember to like this video, this one, yeah, like this one. You can leave a comment down below. Tell me, are you going to try it out? Have you done it before? Was it effective for you? But anyway, this is a video and you want to get every answer right here on Dettol and many other different products. Let's catch up on this.